What is the probability of Ashley punching in one letter, A through J, and one number, 0 through 9, to get M&Ms? Event A is choose a letter, event B is choose a number. The probability of A and B is equal to the probability of A times the probability of B. A is the number of possible outcomes over the total number of outcomes, which is 1 over 10, and B is the number of possible outcomes over the total number of outcomes, which is also 1 over 10. The probability of A and B is equal to 1 over 10 times 1 over 10, which is 1 over 100. The probability of Ashley choosing a letter to get M&Ms along with a number is letter and number